I thought I was just making a simple morning drink. 2 cloves in warm lemon water. Nothing dangerous, right? 10 minutes later, my chest felt warm. My heart beat faster. My stomach burned like I swallowed fire. For 10 seconds, I was sure I hurt myself. But then something strange happened. The pain vanished. My breathing got deeper. My head felt clear like I had slept 8 hours. What I triggered inside my body shocked me. And when I looked at the research, I understood why doctors in India and the Middle East have used this combo for 2,000 years. If you are over 40 and you drink herbal teas, then you need to hear this before you try it. One mistake can make this drink dangerous. Stay with me because I will show you 7 real benefits backed by research, and I will tell you how to use it safely. If this helps you, hit like and subscribe now. What happens in the first 10 minutes? Within 5 minutes of drinking warm clove lemon water, the stomach starts to warm up. Blood flow to the gut lining increases. This is called splanchnic circulation. Eugenol relaxes smooth muscle in the gut. That reduces spasm and gas. For some people, this feels like a sudden relief. For others, it feels like heat or lightheadedness, because blood pressure shifts slightly downward. Citric acid in lemon stimulates bile release from the gallbladder. Bile helps break down fat and activates digestive enzymes. The combination of warmth acid and eugenol also wakes up the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve controls digestion, heart rate, and mood. When it activates, you can feel a calm wave or a brief dizzy feeling if you stand up too fast. This is why the first 10 minutes can feel intense if you are dehydrated or have low blood pressure. Benefit 1. Digestion gets faster. Eugenol increases the secretion of digestive enzymes in the stomach and pancreas. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that eugenol improved gastric emptying in animals by up to 25%. Lemon acid helps break down protein and fat. Together, they reduce bloating and heaviness after meals. For people over 50, digestion slows down naturally. A simple drink that speeds it up can reduce reflux and gas without harsh drugs. Start with 1 clove if you have a sensitive stomach. Drink it before your main meal, not after. Benefit 2. Blood sugar stabilizes. Clove improves insulin sensitivity. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that eugenol increased glucose uptake in muscle cells by activating AMPK pathways. Lemon slows the absorption of sugar from the gut because citric acid delays gastric emptying slightly. The result is a flatter blood sugar curve after meals. For adults over 45, this matters because insulin resistance rises with age. Stable blood sugar means less energy crash and less fat storage around the belly. If you take diabetes medicine, check your sugar closely. Clove can add to the effect and lower sugar too much. Benefit 3. Inflammation drops. Benefit 3 is lower inflammation. Chronic low-grade inflammation is the silent driver of heart disease, arthritis, and cancer after 50. Eugenol blocks COX-2 and NF-kappa B pathways. These are the same pathways that many anti-inflammatory drugs target. A study in phytotherapy research showed that clove extract reduced CRP levels by 30% in rats with induced inflammation. Lemon adds vitamin C and flavonoids that quench free radicals. When inflammation drops, you feel it as less joint stiffness, better sleep, and clearer skin. Drink this on an empty stomach for best absorption, but stop if you feel burning in the stomach. Like and subscribe if this makes sense so far. I post new research-based videos for people over 40 every week. Benefit 4. Pain relief and mouth health. Eugenol is a natural anesthetic. Dentists use it in fillings for this reason. When you drink clove lemon water, the eugenol reaches your gums and throat. It reduces gum inflammation and kills bacteria that cause bad breath. A study in the Journal of Dentistry showed that clove oil reduced plaque and gingivitis scores after 2 weeks of use. For seniors with sensitive gums or dry mouth, this can be a gentle daily habit. It also helps with mild headaches and muscle aches because lower inflammation reduces pain signals. Avoid drinking it hot. Warm water protects tooth enamel and prevents burns. Benefit 5. Immune system gets stronger. Clove has antimicrobial properties. It reduces bad bacteria in the gut and mouth. A study in the Journal of Applied Microbiology showed that eugenol inhibited the growth of E. coli and Candida albicans at low concentrations. Lemon adds vitamin C, which supports white blood cell function. A healthier gut microbiome means stronger immune surveillance. Immune surveillance is how your body finds and removes abnormal cells. This is why many people feel fewer colds and less oral thrush when they use clove regularly. If you have an autoimmune condition, talk to your doctor first. Strong immune stimulation is not always good. Benefit 6: heart and blood flow improve. Eugenol is a mild vasodilator. It relaxes blood vessels and increases nitric oxide production. Better blood flow means more oxygen to the brain, heart, and muscles. A study in the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology showed that eugenol lowered blood pressure in animals by 10 to 15% without causing a dangerous drop. For people over 60, this can help with cold hands, cold feet, and mild hypertension. Lower blood pressure and better circulation also reduce the workload on the heart. Do not use this if your blood pressure is already low. Check your numbers first. Benefit 7: lungs and breathing. Feel clearer. Benefit 7 is support for lungs and breathing. Eugenol has expectorant properties. It helps loosen mucus in the airways and makes it easier to clear. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology showed that clove extract reduced airway inflammation in animal models of asthma. Lemon vitamin C supports the lining of the respiratory tract and reduces oxidative stress from pollution and smoking. People with mild congestion often notice easier breathing and less coughing at night after using this drink for 1 week. It is not a treatment for asthma or COPD, but it can be a supportive habit for lung comfort. Benefit 8: sleep gets deeper. When inflammation drops and blood sugar stabilizes, your nervous system calms down. Eugenol activates the vagus nerve, which shifts the body into rest and digest mode. Lemon helps hydrate the body, which reduces nighttime leg cramps that wake people up. Many adults over 50 report falling asleep faster and waking up fewer times after using this drink before dinner. Do not drink it right before bed if you are sensitive to acid. Drink it 90 minutes before sleep. I thought my body reacted too fast, but science shows clove lemon water can strongly support metabolism, inflammation, blood flow, and immunity. The key is the right dose and preparation. Use 1 to 2 crushed cloves in warm water. Steep for 5 minutes, and, if you are sensitive, let it rest for 10 minutes before drinking. If this video helped you understand what really happened, hit like and subscribe. Next week, I will show you the 3 foods that block the benefits of clove if you eat them daily. Tell me in the comments which benefit you want to feel first and what you felt in the first 10 minutes. I read every comment and I reply to the ones that need it most.